Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a professional good looking flowchart by using an online tool that is the Visme. So that is a wonderful tool to make a very good flowchart. So let's start. First of all, go to Google and type in flowchart online flowchart maker. After that, go to the link visme.com, then login. After logging in, a window will appear. So this is my window. Go to create new and click on project. Inside the project, go to infographics. There are a lot of variety of templates available on this website so that you can make uh, flowchart of your own choice. Click on flowcharts, then select the desired template that you want to make. So I select a random template out of these templates. You can see that there are a lot of templates available on this website. So just clicking on this one. So click on edit. Just wait till the window appears. So this is my new template that I want to edit. It is basically a site map, so I can use the products and services that I want to add. So you guys can click on the items and you guys can add or remove any type of box or circle that you want. So let's say I am editing as it as my business, and there is a product number 1. Let's rename it as product number 2, and let me it. So inside the product hierarchy, there are sub hierarchy, which is product 1, 2, 3, which is the subcategory of the products. So by using this website, you guys can make a lot of a variety of flowcharts. Let's go back and choose from another template. So create and flowcharts. Now let's make a basic bar graph by using this website. So click on create new and infographics. So inside the infographics there are other options as well that you can choose. There is statistical options, informational, you can make an informational slide or any type of a document that you want to show. So there is also comparison and location, hierarchical and other options. So by using this website, you guys can make a lot of flowcharts and other relevant things. So that's all. See you guys. Goodbye.